Good morning guys! Good morning mga kapatid! So, pagpasensya nyo na guys ang ating mukha dahil kagigising ko lang. So, today guys is June 2, the 6 AM dito sa Dubai. Ngayon guys, yung araw ng last day nila sa school. At tapos na sila guys ng grade 3, nakakatuwa. So, itong susunod na pasukan guys is mag-grade 4 na siya. Ang ating prinsesa ay mag-grade 4 na. Gisingin natin siya guys, pakainin, bihisan, at pasukin dahil excited siyang pumasok at the same time nalulungkot kasi hindi na niya makikita yung friend niya. So tara guys. So ito yung baon niya guys, ito is kanin, tapos ito yung ulam niya. Ginawan ko siya ng vegetable na may shrimp, tsaka meron siyang juice, yan, mini croissant. Ay siyang maliit na chips, base, at saka ito, favorite niya to. Ito siyang maliit na bread na spicy flavor. Yan guys, ang baon niya palagi. Alternation na. Kung hindi ito, Barney. Kung hindi naman ito, chocolate ang ano niya, kasama. Pero ang juice niya, ang favorite niya ito lagi. Tasa? Good morning na. Kaya wake up na ako. Wake up na. Good morning. Hi, wake up. Let's go. Come on. Tessa. Hi, Mama. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Okay. What is today, anak? Today is your last day of school?
Yeah.
And what do you will miss in your school?
I will miss my friends.
Your friends?
And I will miss my science teacher, Miss Aya.
Si Sarah guys, hindi siya naliligo sa umaga. You're still sleepy? Hindi siya naliligo sa umaga guys. Ang ligo nito gabi bago sila matutulog. Kaya pag sa umaga na lang, lagyan ko siya ng spray nga nito, parang oil. Para mas mabilis. Ano yung ano niya. I-straight. Mas mabilis i-straight yung buhok. Yan. Gusto daw niya ng pigtail. May pigtail. Pigtail pa nalalaman si Sarsura. Check the time, anak.
6:36.
Like here in the side, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Go in the side.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Sasa. Take care, okay? Love you. Bye, Sasa.
Bye.
So, yun guys. Kalis lang ni Sarah. At kung nagtataka kayo bakit hindi ko na siya hinahatid, kasi ayaw na niya guys magpahatid sa akin. Kasi malaki na daw siya. Pero don't worry kasi yung bus nila nandun lang naman sa baba ng building at kita siya agad ng ano, pag bumaba siya ng elevator, kita siya agad ng ano, ng driver. At, si Aduma ay tulog na tulog pa guys. Ganito ang routine namin, dalawang magmama na laging naiiwan dito sa bahay. Ang gising na namin nito guys is mga 12 to 1 PM. At yun lang guys. Hintayin natin si Sarah maya-maya. Na-ready na rin ang baon ni Mr. guys. May apple, may vegetable, may macaronis doon sa ilalim, may dalawang caramel cream, at saka tubig. Yan guys, ready na rin. Bye, Mr.
Bye.
Take care, Bye, Bush. Good afternoon, guys! Yan, balik na naman ako ng kusina, guys. Ngayon is 12:30 na, malapit nang dumating si Sarah, mga 1 o'clock. So, ang naisipan kong gawin, guys, na ulam nilang dalawang magkapatid ay chicken adobo. So, ito, guys, ang aking chicken na hiwa-hiwa na. Yan, ang ating chicken, guys. Alam nyo, normally, hindi ako naglalagay ng balat. Wala naman si Mr. guys kasi si Mr. ayaw niya ng balat. So, subukan ko din magluto ng may balat guys kasi nakakamiss din minsan. Tsaka parang ang sarap-sarap niyang kainin pag may balat. So, yan guys. Si Adam din pala, gising na siya. Ito si Aduma guys. Si hi tita, tito.
Hi, Tita. Tutu.
Tito. Ay. Guys, nandito na si Sarah.
Ma,
Sarah is
I was
back.
crying there 10 times.
Really?
Yeah, because I miss my friend.
Oh my.
And then later, me and my best friends Fatima, Zaina, Lamar, and Noor, Samar, we're gonna play scary.
Wow. Okay, it's time to change, anak. So, ito na guys, ang kanilang pagkain. Luto na. Yan. Till tita, tito guys, kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Adam, si kain tayo, tita, tito. Ha? Nawala na naman. Si Sasa ko ay medyo sad-sad. Umiyak daw siya kanina guys sa school kasi mamimiss niya yung mga friend niya. Eh, sabi ko ganun talaga. Pag tapos ang school year, ganun talaga. Maghihiwalay kayo. Pero sabi ko naman, don't worry kasi makikita naman kayo pag the same school pa rin. So, you still sad, anak?
I'm so sad also.
Oh, naiyak siya. Don't cry. Look, naiyak na nga. Don't cry. It's okay, anak. It's okay.
I'm so sad also.
I'll make you happy later. I will do something.
You do.
Secret. And you, Adam, what's your problem?
I'm so sad too.
Oh my God, why you are sad?
Because brother, she go.
Oh,
Your brother, she go.
he go to. He go. He go.
She go home.
He go to.
No.
Okay, brother, where he go?
Brother, she go home.
Oh, okay. Brother, he go.
No, no.
Eat your fruits also, okay?
No, no.
Why, baby? No, no. Vitamin C. Masarap kasi.
I don't like medicine.
I'm not giving you medicine. I'm giving you fruits. Nandito na pala si Mr. guys. Yan, nag-i-edit siya. Inshallah, matapos niya. So, mayroon kami upload tomorrow. How's your day, Mr.? Good?
Tired, guys. I'm tired.
Oh.
Really, it's not easy, guys. Finish work, make editing. After that, I find my wife. The most difficult part is my wife in the house.
Boy, when you come in the house, everything is ready, my dear. You have food. Your dress is ready. What is difficult?
Seriously?
Yes.
Editing I can manage. Work I can manage. But you I cannot manage.
Because what you mean? What you mean? Loko ka.
By the way, guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel to help us to grow more and more and more channel.
So, Sarah, as I promised to you before, so at least you will not be sad. And I know that you like nail polish. So, I'll vote for you today. It's because it's your last day of school, so you are allowed now to wear nail polish, okay? Which color you like? Which color you like? Red. Tingnan nyo guys, losyang pa rin ang nanay, ang mga batay naligo na, nakakain na, at ito na lang ang last nilang gagawin at matutulog na sila. So, mayroon din akong panlinis guys, yan, nail polish. Happy?
Mission accomplished. Thank you, Mama.
So, ito na guys. Tapos na ang aking buong araw. Kasama ang aking dalawang kidodis. At si Mr. guys nandun sa labas nanonood. At si Sarah ay tulog na. Napagod yung bata. Si Adam din sinaantok na. So, we have to say goodnight to Tita and Titos.
Good night, everyone.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Kiss, kiss. Kiss. Oh. So, today guys, mayroon akong ipapagawa kay Sarah guys. I-challenge ko siya guys na gawin ang aayusin ang aming kama at paghugasin ng plato. Kasi guys, nung 9 years old ako, ganito din ako trinain ng nanay ko na mag-start sa kama at saka paghugas ng plato. So, today we have challenge, ha? I will challenge you to make the bed and wash the plate today, okay? I will give you a lot of kisses, okay? And huggies. Yeah! So are you ready? We have to wake up. We will eat breakfast and then we will make the challenge. Okay? Let's go! Wake up! Whee! One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Good job! Good job! So, first thing you will do is to change the water and the soap inside, okay? First, when you are washing the plate, you have to always start into cup or glass. Bubbles inside. Nothing. Good job! Whee! So next time when you saw some plate in the lavabo, you have to wash it, okay? So this is the end of the video, guys. Sana'y nagustuhan nyo ang video na to. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Bye!